Create delicious premium coffees in the comfort of your own kitchen with the 19-bar pressure system on this Magimix Nespresso coffee machine. Enjoy different coffee options with tailored water dispensing that adjusts the amount of water used based on the type of drink you've chosen. Every coffee is made correctly for consistently perfect results. The compact design allows it to fit comfortably on any kitchen worktop or desk without taking up space you need. With the Aeroccino included, you can froth your milk with one-touch operation to add a professional touch to your lattes and cappuccinos. Enjoy barista-quality beverages in your own home. Get your mornings off to a great start with delicious fresh coffee from this Magimix Nespresso coffee machine.